after what I've been hearing and the opinions of lots of experts that work on many issues related to nitrogen, I'd say I'd go for the bold one, and I'd say a clear transition to agroecological systems.
The issues in which nitrogen is central are very controversial and needs the contribution of scientists, not only from different disciplines, but also from lots of countries in the world. Opportunities like the one you offer by organizing this symposium are unique, in fact, for that purpose.
That's a perfect of this workshop. Like, we have a perfect organizing committee to hand this conference workshop in a perfect place and perfect time. Then all the researchers coming together to deliver the amazing presentations and discussion. So this is not help us to improve nitrogen use efficiency, but also to improve the research efficiency and improve the research collaboration and partnership.